Alright traders, Forex market, second time for the day today. We got the euro dollar. We talked about this one just last Friday, just before the weekend kicked in. We called it out, right? We thought price was about to turn around, and we initiated this bullish campaign. Opened up with 10K, and we talked about 1877 as a potential obstacle for this move, right? And as you can see, price went up during Friday and landed exactly at that spot. Paid a lot of respect to that level, right? Because it just slightly touched and then pulled back a little bit to close right below. So clearly, price is acknowledging 1877 as a tough resistance, right? This level is pushing back against price action so far successfully, but I do not believe that's going to be long lasting. I think price is just filling up that area a little bit, testing it a little bit, touching it, but it's going to cross over. Hopefully today, right? That's going to be great if it can happen today. But if not, I guess it could stall a little bit before actually crossing over, before breaking out completely and heading towards our target. By the way, our target's pretty close by. So if we're going to have a breakout today, there's a very good chance price will finish the job. You know, it will reach that 1944, touch base, right? Activate our take profit order, and probably struggle a little bit with that area, just as it did not too long ago, right? When it was there. It was there for a few days, you know, continuously tried to cross over, just spike that level 4 times before turning back down. So there's a very good chance that level will will play an important role in the near future. I'm talking about the next few days, right? So I guess in this case, you know, we're ready to proceed. We're ready to push the position even bigger. The only problem, of course, is that we're facing some adversity that goes by, you know, that's pressing from above. I'm talking about 1877. If price was trading a little bit above that level, that would make it easier for us to drop bombs, right? And seriously increase this position. But at this point in time, we feel that it's not going to be wise to go aggressive before we actually can see that, you know, that price action is really handling well the resistance coming from that level. So before, you know, it's actually breaking out, since it didn't break out yet, we're gonna throw just 5K. All right, we're still kind of taking a bit of a risk here because we believe price will break out hopefully today, but in the next day or two, and we're not going to wait for it. Well, we could have waited, you know, we could have waited for it, but I guess that in this case, since it's such a short-term type of move, right, quick move, waiting for it might mean that we're gonna have to miss out on it, right? Because this is like just one punch move, and that's how we feel that price action is gonna behave. So yeah, we're taking a bit of a risk, jumping the gun a little bit. Again, price didn't cross over 1877 yet, but we feel it might do it today. So right after this video, guys, pulling the trigger, throwing in 5K on top of the 10 we already have. So this position goes up to $15,000, and it might stay there all the way to the target. We'll have to wait and see. That's about that, ladies and gentlemen. Forex market situation update. It's been a pleasure. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual. So till then, be well.